What's up, you guys? Dano here. We're at one of my favorite Italian restaurants in the city of Louisville, Volare, and I'm with my man, Chef Josh Moore, also the champion of Chopped on the Food Network. You may have seen it before. If you haven't, go YouTube it, check it out. But today, we're gonna check out one of his featured items on the menu. It's Dano's Scallops. So, we're gonna go with Josh, we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna let him show you how it's done.
All right, guys, like Dano said, we are featuring Dano's original seasoning on our new winter scallop here at Volare. I'm gonna prepare this dish for you guys so you can see how it's done. I've got a pan on the stove already heating up with some olive oil in it. I've got our U10 dry diver scallops. I'm gonna put a generous sprinkling of Dano's on those on both sides. And then we're gonna get those scallops in that hot pan. While those scallops are searing, in this other pan I have a sweet potato puree. You know, great fall flavors, a little bit of sweetness, really complements the spices and the Dano's. And to plate this dish, we're gonna do a little crispy prosciutto and Brussels sprout slaw. We are harvesting Brussels sprouts from our farm in Taylorsville through the end of the month. So last little bit of more farm produce is coming into the restaurant. I'm gonna go ahead while those scallops are searing, get this sweet potato puree on the plate. So this is an appetizer at the restaurant, 3 scallops. The Brussels sprout slaw, just shaved Brussels sprouts, a little bit of honey, salt, pepper, olive oil. All right, we've got a nice golden sear. We're gonna flip these scallops. Give these about 30 seconds on this side. They're gonna be a perfect medium. And this dish will be on the menu until spring. So this will be our scallop preparation for quite a while. All right, guys, our scallops are a nice medium. We're gonna pull them out of that saute pan. Sit them on that sweet potato puree. Like I said, this crispy prosciutto, delicious pan-fried, paper-thin prosciutto. Nice bite, great little saltiness to it. Then we're gonna do that Brussels sprout slaw. A little bit of toasted almonds and aged balsamic vinegar. There are Dano's seared scallops.
All right, guys, so now it's time for the taste test. I'm super excited. It only took maybe 10 minutes to put together, not even 10 minutes. Smells amazing, so let's jump right in. I'm really interested to see what this sweet potato puree is like. So I'm gonna jump right in here. Cut it in half, make sure we got a little bit of everything on here. Get some of that slaw. Got the prosciutto, got the scallop. Let's go for it. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. That's damn good. There's a whole lot of flavor going on there. I can taste the sweet potato and puree. You got that salty prosciutto. Look at the prosciutto, it's like deep fried, so it's like really crispy. The puree. The slaw kind of sets it all off. It's delicious, you guys, for real. That is kind of like next level scallops right here. Got the Dano's, of course. Don't forget about that. Let's get one more bite here. Look at that. Definitely a must try, you guys. 100%. Awesome, awesome scallops. Volare Restaurant, right here in Louisville, Kentucky, down Frankfort Avenue. Can't miss it. Look it up. Set the date. Schedule a reservation. Get in here. Check out the dang good scallops and everything else they have to offer. Like I said, it's my favorite Italian restaurant. Come check it out, you guys.